In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your design projects by adding and customizing text in Canva. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of incorporating text with creative flair into your Canva designs, making them both visually appealing and professional. To get started, let's first open Canva. Canva is a fantastic design tool for anyone looking to create stunning graphics without the need for advanced design software or skills. Once you're in Canva, begin by preparing your project. This means selecting the type of design you want to work on, whether it's a social media post, presentation, or any other available template. This ensures that you're working within the right dimensions for your platform or needs. Now, if you want to add text to your design, here's the simple process to follow. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find the Text button. Click on that to proceed. This will open a variety of text options, including a selection of pre-designed text styles. For simplicity, just click on Add a Heading. This is a great starting point, especially if you're looking to make a strong statement in your design. Once you click Add a Heading, you'll see a text box appear on your design space. This is where you can type the content you want to include in your design. Feel free to play around with what you want to say, ensuring it fits the purpose of your project. Once the text is in place, you can customize it to better suit your design. Canva allows you to change the color of your text easily. Highlight the text box by clicking on it, and then look for the color picker at the top. Here, you can choose from a wide palette of colors to match or contrast with your design. Additionally, explore the font style options. Canva has a vast selection of fonts to make your text more stylish and in line with your design's theme. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect combination of color and font style that truly enhances your project. You may also want to add a box behind your text to make it stand out. To do this, navigate to the Elements tab, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Once there, scroll down and look for Shapes. You're going to click on the square shape, which will appear on your design. Resize the square by clicking and dragging the corners to fit your text appropriately. Then, drag and place it over your text, but don't worry, we're going to adjust it so it sits right behind. Simply right-click on the square shape and select Send to Back from the menu. This will place the text on top of the box, ensuring it's visible. Finally, you can change the color of the box to complement your text or overall design aesthetic. Select the shape, then use the color picker in the top bar to choose the perfect shade. And that's it. You now know how to customize text in Canva to enhance your designs beautifully.